They say the world belongs to the loud, the talkers, the extroverts, the confident ones. But what if I told you the quiet ones are actually running the world? Yeah, the people who sit in the back of the room, who don't talk much, who'd rather think than speak, they have a hidden advantage. Because while everyone else is talking, introverts are observing, learning, and planning. Think about it. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Albert Einstein, Warren Buffett, they're not the loudest people in the room, but their ideas change the world. Introverts don't need to shout to make an impact. Their silence is strategy. Their focus is their power. But here's the problem. Most introverts grow up thinking something is wrong with them. You're told to speak up, be more social, show confidence, and you start to believe that your quiet nature is a weakness. It's not. It's your superpower. See, introverts process the world differently. They think deeply before acting. They analyze before speaking. They build ideas in silence. And when they finally speak, people listen because silence builds value. When you don't talk all the time, your words carry weight. Step 1. Use observation as your advantage. Introverts are incredible observers. While everyone else is busy being noticed, introverts are busy noticing. They see patterns, emotions, details that others miss. This ability to read the room, to understand people quietly, makes introverts exceptional in strategy, creativity, and leadership. So don't try to fight your nature. Use it. Instead of talking to impress, listen to understand. Because the one who listens learns, and the one who learns leads. Step 2. Protect your energy. Introverts don't hate people. They just get drained by too much interaction. So if you ever feel tired after social events, that's not weird. It's biology. Your brain is wired for deep, focused connections, not endless small talk. So protect your energy like it's gold. Say no when you need to. Recharge when you must. The world glorifies hustle, but the smartest people know when to rest. Step 3. Create before you speak. Introverts often shine when they create. Writing, designing, coding, building. These are quiet arts that move the world. J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter in silence. Steve Wozniak built Apple's first computer alone in his room. Greatness doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. So if you're an introvert, stop chasing attention. Start creating impact. You don't need to talk louder. You need to build something worth listening to. Step 4. Turn solitude into strength. Most people fear being alone. Introverts need it. That time you spend in silence. That's when your best ideas are born. Use that solitude for self-growth, learning, and reflection. Because clarity comes from quiet, and in a noisy world, clarity is rare and valuable. So here's the truth. Being an introvert isn't a disadvantage. It's a different operating system. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to play to your strengths. Think deeply, listen actively, create silently, and when it's time to speak, let your actions do the talking. Because you don't need the spotlight to shine. You just need to glow in your own lane. This is Quiz Catalyst, where quiet minds make loud impacts. Hit subscribe, and let's keep growing, one smart idea at a time.